What's going on? So I'm going to attempt a little floor press, chair press, whatever you want to call it, but I like to use these heavy duty BOSU Elites, so I'm not just focused on flexibility sitting down, So I'm going to do a single arm, as many reps as I can with this 30 kilogram bell, seated, sit back. So now I don't have a lot of bounce either, but also don't have to focus on being in that L shape when I might be pretty tight. So take this up. Alright, so that was 15 on that side. That was pretty tough. So now my heart rate is up because those last couple reps, pushing as hard as I could, stabilizing my torso as much as I could. So now, if I tried to jump right into the other side, it's not gonna happen. So let everything calm back down. I'm gonna go for as short a rest as I can. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna get ready, clean it up, see if I can get close. Hopefully I should be similar. Heart rate's still up there. Definitely feel pumped in the arms. All right, here we go. And so this is a 30 kilogram, so 66 something pounds. Right at the same rep. Okay. Okay. So, like I said, instead of just doing a Z press on the floor, you can see the BOSU Elite, which I really like this thing, especially for focusing on better mechanics and power when you squat. Follow Dave, whack and whack method. Anyway, that feels good. I feel a little bit of pump in there. All right, so not too bad, 15 and 15 with no legs, no torso. There's some strict pressing. KBmuscle.com, kettlebell only, muscle gain.